There are many religions in the world, and their followers claim that their God is true because their book says, or because their parents says, or because their society says. But when you look in the real world objects, then you will see that there is only one God who has been writing his name through the nature, or who has been demonstrating his name from the mouth of the creatures of nature. And that one God is only, whose name is Allah, and his name can be seen in this apple in Arabic. You can Google and see how what is the name of Allah in Arabic. Who is Allah? Allah is the name of the God who is the creator of the universe, and Muslims worship Allah. And Muslims claim that Allah is real God, Allah is the only God, Allah is the true God, Allah is alone, and there is no God except Allah, and Muhammad is the last prophet of Allah, peace be upon him. So, this is what Muslims claim. But if you go to the nature and try to find out the true God and try to investigate through the nature what is the name of true God and who has been doing practical actions through the nature to demonstrate his name, to indicate who is he, what is his real name beyond the books, other than the fight of religious leaders and their followers in the world in the name of many gods and in the name of many religions which were invented on the basis of those gods. On the other hand, there are also people, a group of people who claim that there is no God, but they have no practical proof on their claim. So, according to this apple, and if you go to rightfulreligion.com, you will see a lot of many practical proofs like this. So these evidences are actual real world evidences which proves that Allah is the real God of all the human beings, because there is no God except Allah who has been writing and demonstrating his name through the nature. So think about it. If you have been worshipping any other God except Allah, then be sure that the name that you have been told since your childhood is actually not the God. If Allah is not God, then how Allah could write his name? If who you worship is the real God, then why your God cannot write his name through the nature? If your God is true, why cannot he control the creatures of nature to speak and recite his name by his command? If your God is true, then why your God is not able to control the creatures of nature in the world, in the physical world, and transform their shape into his name by his power and command only without any human intervention? Why don't? Why only Allah is doing it? Because Allah is real God. So think and see and then recite Shahada and enter in Islam, because you have seen the practical proof on existence of Allah and you have heard what I have explained. And now if you don't use your common sense, and if you still want to remain the worshipper of imaginary God based on the false limitation, false belief which were engraved in your mindset since your childhood, then it's up to you, because I will not be responsible for your deception, because I have explained to you. Now whether you accept the truth or enter in Islam or you deny, it's up to you, and Allah is witness between you and me. Thank you.